Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to call any mobile number in the world, entire world, without having SIM card. But to do this one, you need internet connection. Okay, whether it may be through Wi-Fi or your data through your SIM card. But SIM card network may not be available for that matter. But you can still call so easily, free of cost, by using one app on your Google Chrome. Go to Google Chrome and just one website, not even app. This is globephone.com is the website, which just click it. After going into globephone.com, you can call anybody in the entire world free of cost. If you observe video also you can do, you can share, file sharing, SMS also you can do, and call. Free calling is available here, free phone calling to any number. So enter your name, just for example I am not doing anything, ABCD, next, and going to next, it will take us to the next step. Free phone calling, free online phone you can do here, right? I'll be just making a video call here or a simple call, phone call. You can call to anybody in any country by just mentioning their country here and their mobile number here. So for example 70750707 or 06 for example. So on this number, if you want to call, just call it. For the privacy sake, I am not mentioning any mobile here. So it started calling that number, and yes, once your microphone yellow, so that it can be enabling with your microphone voice speaking, right? This call has been closed because that number is not there. For that only video purpose I just entered a fake number. You can enter whichever the number you want to enter, and you can call anybody in this world. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.